Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Asa Life. Now we are planning to go at Dubai Creek. It's a random walk. We'll have dinner also on that place. It's a nice weather. Temperature has gone 15 degrees in Dubai, so it's the best time to go on the old Dubai side and have a walk. So we are planning to go there now. So let's go. Coba kan tak payah deh. Ada apa? Ada lebih berat इसमें आता है ना lebih berat ada छोटा सा
hummus है ना
हाँ hummus इसका तो फिर ये
one
hummus किधर गया वो
one hummus one chicken shawarma
एक स्टिक एक फत्तू सलाद कर दो और पानी का बोतल पड़ा शॉर्मा रैप एंड So we had done with a dinner at this Dubai Creek restaurant. But the food was not okay. It was okay. If I start giving a star for food quality, 1 out of 5. Service again 1 out of 5. Cost, yes, it was not that much costly. So you can say 2 out of 5. Location was good. You can say 3 out of 5. So we are done now. We are going back to our home. So bye. Take care.